In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a round logo using Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and type Logo in the search bar. Select the Logo option so Canva opens a canvas with the correct dimensions for logo design. Next, browse through the logo templates and choose one that matches the style of your brand. Templates are only a starting point, so you can change everything later. After selecting a template, click on the text and replace it with your business name or brand name. You can change the font, size, and color to match your branding. Now add a circle shape to create the round logo style. Go to the element section and search for circle. Add the circle to your canvas and resize it so it forms the main background of your logo. Place your text and icons inside the circle. You can also search for icons related to your business in the Elements section and position them in the center of the logo. If you want the text to follow the curve of the circle, click the text box, open Effects, and choose the Curve option. Adjust the curve slider until the text follows the circular shape. Make sure everything is centered and balanced so the logo looks clean and professional. When your design is ready, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG for digital use or PDF print for high quality printing. That is how you make a round logo using Canva.